let's go to an advanced search. A lot of people don't know that you can search for actors and music artists by name. In the catalog, we treat those as authors. So for our author, you can search for Cher. Let's click search. We get music by Cher. We get movies that Cher has been in. And also books written by Cher. If we wanted to narrow that down by just movies with Cher, you would search for Cher as the author. Item type would be video recording. And then we would click search. Now we have just the movies with Cher.